Hi students, hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. Our first chapter is overall finished. Today, now we are going to discuss about the second chapter, when lines join. When lines join. Your chapter name? When lines join. Lines are different: horizontal, vertical, perpendicular, parallel, of etc. etc. There are different types of lines depending upon the shape and position. There are different types of lines depending upon the position and shape. This lesson started two activities distinguish between straight line and slanted line. Straight line and slanted line. Your surroundings or your premises, you can see straight line and slanted line. Coconut tree, areca tree, palm tree, electric post are examples of straight line. Coconut tree, areca tree, palm tree, electric post are straight position. The coconut trees are slanted in the reverse side. Coconut trees are slanted in the reverse side is slanted position. In the slides in the kids part are slanted position. The best examples of slanted position, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa situated in Italy. A lot of tourists attract this position. Slanted position. Okay, do you understood? Yes, write your chapter name, your chapter second, when line join. Write your notebook, your chapter name, when lines join, and subtitle straight line, straight, slanted, straight, slanted. Straight line and slanted line. This is a line. Another line. Okay. Two lines. One line and another line. Its line is straight line. Straight line. This line is straight line and another line slanted. Another line is slanted line. Okay. Two lines, straight line. The straight line or upright line and slanted line. This line is slanted line. This line is straight line. For example, may I clean this part? Okay. For example, this is a geometrical figure. It is a geometrical figure. How many sides in this figure? How many sides? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 4 sides are known as quadrilateral. 4 sides are known as quadrilateral. And it is a geometrical figure. 4 sides known as quadrilateral. And this line, this line, the left line is straight line. Straight line. The left line is straight line and another line, the figure, another line, and the right line is slanted line. Right line is slanted line. Slanted line. Got it? Any doubt? Lines, straight line and slanted line. This is a geometrical figure. 4 sides. The left line is straight line and this figure right line is slanted line. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. Next activity. Write down in your notebook. Activity first. May I clean the pot? Activity first. Activity first. Draw the figures. Draw the figures and complete the table. Complete the table. Okay, the first question. Draw the figure. The first activity, draw the figures and complete this table. Okay, draw the figure. The first figure. How many sides in this figure? 4 sides. All sides are 4. It's the quadrilateral. And next, two. Three and 4. 4. Draw it. Okay. Are you finished? May I clean this board? May I clean it? Okay. Table. Figures. Straight, slanted. Straight line or upright line or upright. Straight line or upright line. Draw this table. Yes. As to figure 1. The figure 1, straight line or upright line. The left line is upright line. Left line is the figure. First left line is upright line and the right line is slanted line. Right line. Right side is the slanted. And figure 2. How many sides in this figure? 4 sides. This is a square. All sides are equal. Okay, it's a square. How many sides? 4 sides. Upright sides. Left and right are upright. Left side and right sides are straight position. Left and right. No slanted. And next 3. Figure 3. Left line. Straight. No. Slanted. Very good. Slanted. Left and right. Slanted. This figure, quadrilateral, left line and right lines are slanted and no straight. As write down your notebook. As step 4, for figure, fill in the table. Fill in the table. Okay. Are you finished? Any doubt? Straight line and slanted line. Okay, got it. Next, listen here. Listen to the chart. All of you listen. This is a geometrical chart. This is a geometrical figure. Geometrical figure made up of lines named according to the number of sides. Okay, this is a geometrical figure made up of lines. Made up of lines. The first quadrilateral, 4 sides quadrilateral. Okay, and another figure. Read this figure name pentagon. Pentagon. How many sides pentagon? How many sides? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are known as pentagon. 5 sides are known as pentagon. And next, identify this figure. Read it. Hexagon. Very good. Hexagon. How many sides are hexagon? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a geometrical figure. 6 sides are known as hexagon. Got it? Hexagon sides are 6. And next figure name? Spectagon. Okay, very good. Spectagon. How many sides? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides known as spectagon. It is a geometrical figure. Spectagon sides are 7. And next, read this name. Read it. Madhilaj, read it this. Octagon. Very good. Octagon. How many sides octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a geometrical figure. 8 sides figures known as octagon. Do you understood? Any doubt? No doubt? Okay, it is a geometrical figure, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, spectagon, octagon. All students draw the picture and write the name. Okay. Are you finished? Today's class is over. Have a nice day. See you all again the next class. Bye.